Oh my god, very high. Hello everybody! Today is going to be a super duper exciting day, and I know that I say that in almost all my videos, but today really is going to be an exciting day because I'll finally be getting a new tattoo. Well, actually two tattoos. The last time I got a tattoo was about, I think, like 3 years ago, which is kind of insane. Like, it's been a while. Oh my god, there's a puppy outside. Cute. So yeah, I was definitely due for a new tattoo, and I've been like searching like good tattoo artists for a while now, but I couldn't really find like something that I really liked until I came across this woman on Instagram. Yeah, I think the stuff that she makes is like super cool. So I booked an appointment and I'm going to Amsterdam right now, and I'm going to get a tattoo. Also, here's my fit of the day. I'm wearing like a bandeau top because obviously she needs to like reach my upper arm area, and I got a cute skirt from Bresser. And yeah, there's like a shit ton of socks on the floor, but that's because I basically always wear like 2 different pairs of socks because I can never find the other one. So yesterday I decided that I want to find their partner again, so I just like threw them all on the floor, and then the moment I find the second of them, I can like get them together again and put them back in the closet. But there's so many socks that I only have one of. I'm very chaotic. Okay, anyway, let's go. I have to drive for like an hour, which I think is a long time, but I know that a lot of you, like people from America, are like an hour is nothing. I don't know, I feel like an hour drive is long. I have arrived, boys. Let's go. So it actually is like a few days later already. I was like planning on like showing the end results of the day itself, but I ran out of battery. My phone was completely dead. I didn't bring a charger with me, so it was all it was pretty intense. It was pretty stressful. Also, I thought that this tattoo was gonna take around like 5 hours in total. I thought like arrive there at 12, done at 5. Yeah? Oh my god. I literally left at 8:30. I was there for 8.5 hours for 2 tattoos. Oh my god. I definitely did not expect it to take that long, and the person who tattooed me also didn't expect it to take that long. I mean, the stencil alone took 2 hours to like make and place in the right way. So yeah, it was a very long and boring and intense day, but I got my tattoos. It's a few days later now because I was literally dead. I was dead. I did not feel like filming anything. So what they actually do when you get a tattoo is like they put second skin on it, and second skin is basically just like a sticker that you put on a tattoo, which helps it like heal better and like prevents it from getting all yucky. So I have that on me right now, so you can't really see the tattoo yet. I can take it off tomorrow, but I will show you what I have right now, and then tomorrow I can show you when I like take the stickers off. Like this. You see? This is what it looks like right now. It's like, oh. Yeah, this is a sticker, and this is just like the fluid that's just like leaking. So yeah, you can't really see it right now. I mean, you can see like this little line is pretty nice. You can see a little bit. Yeah, that's the current state of my tattoos. So, can't really see anything, but I'll show you tomorrow. It is like itching so badly though. Oh my god. I mean, the second skin is definitely helping, but still, it's like so itchy and I just keep wanting to scratch it. But yeah, okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this for now, and then I'll be back tomorrow, and then we're gonna take the stickers off. It's going to be exciting. I've got 8.5 hours. 8.5 hours. That is insane, right? Because they're not even that big. I mean, they're pretty big, but they're not like 8-hour big. But they were. Oh. Okay, it's day number 4 and it's time to take the second skin off. Oh my god, exciting stuff. Also, look who's here. Pablo! Oh, beautiful baby boy. Okay, so I went to the store and I bought a couple of things. So let me show you what I got. It's only 2 things though, but let me just show you anyways. Also, unrelated, but look at the desk. I made this myself. I'm just gonna brag. Wait, let me show you. Look at that desk, boy! Look how good it looks! And a floating shelf. And this. Yeah, I actually made that whole desk. And this floating shelf all by myself. It's like a hidden talent that I never show online. But yeah, I'm actually very good at making stuff. I didn't make this though. This is from IKEA. But I made the desk. And I made the shelf. Sorry, I know nobody wants to hear about that. Let me show you what I got. 2 things. Soap to wash my hands with and to wash my tattoo with. And then I also got Bae Panten. And this is like the special like tattoo aftercare Bae Panten. The tattoo artist told me that I have to put this on my tattoo every 3 hours for the first week. Every 3 hours? Are you insane? Like, I don't think I'm gonna do that. So yeah, let me just first wash my hands. And then we can rip this baby apart, boy. Oh, it's so itchy though. Like, it's terrible. It's actually terrible. Oh, this lighting is beautiful. Oh, but I do have like... It almost looks like I have a shadow of a penis on my chest right now. That's not so beautiful. Can I do this differently? Okay, so I learned a trick on the internet, and that is if you want to take this off, you shouldn't like rip it this way, but you have to rip it like this way. So let's just do that. Okay, so that was kind of painful. So I'm just gonna run it under warm water for a little bit, and then hopefully it's gonna be easier. I know that I'm generally very impulsive with everything that I do, but I do want to take good care of my tattoos. So I'll be right back. I'm completely soaked in water, so let's hope it's gonna be better now. This feels worse than getting the tattoo itself. Oh. Okay, let's try the other one. Let's go. Should I start from the top this time? Maybe that works. Oh my god! It literally hurts more than the tattoo itself. Like, I'm not even lying. That was very painful. Oh my god! Look at my skin! Oh no, it itches so badly now. Oh no, it's so bad. Oh no, 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 no. But look at my skin. It's completely like hot flaming red. Let me just wash my tattoo real quick and then use some of the like aftercare, and then I'll be right back. way. So yeah, this is the end result of my tattoo. Obviously it's not healed yet, like I said, it's still very flaky. It's gonna take a month for it to like completely heal. So yeah, I'll show you like in a month what it actually looks like. But it's basically this. I don't think it's gonna change much from here on. Oh my god. So nice. Oh my god, I love it. By the way, pain wise, if you want to know, it was actually not that bad. This arm, she started with this arm, and this overall was a 1 out of 5. It was not painful at all. It felt the same as all my other tattoos, which were also not painful, for me at least. I mean, I generally don't think that tattoos hurt that much. I know that's an unpopular opinion, but the thing I hate most about getting tattoos is like how long it takes and like how boring it is. I expected like my shoulder and like my collarbone area to be super painful. No, 1 out of 5. It literally wasn't bad at all. The place that did hurt most though was like this area over here, like close to my armpit. So I mean, it was a 2 out of 5 on this arm, so it's still not bad. But I definitely do not want to get my underarms tattooed in my life, because I think that is gonna hurt like fucking hell, boy. This one hurt way more because I was already sitting there for 6 hours, because it took so much longer than I expected and that she expected too, because we were literally the last one who left the shop. So yeah, I was already sitting there for around 6 hours when she started on this tattoo, so I was exhausted and bored and I just wanted to go home. I was just not in a good mind space to get a tattoo, so this one actually did hurt a lot more. I would say overall it was like a 2 out of 5, still not bad. But then this little space over here, that was a 4 out of 5. Like that hurts so much more than this side. And I'm pretty sure that was just because I was tired, because if she would have like completed it the next day, I think I would have been fine. So yeah, this is your friendly reminder to make sure that you feel good when you get a tattoo. Because one time I got a tattoo when I was sick. Not a fun experience. Make sure you're like healthy, moisturized, well fed. You know, make sure you feel good when you get a tattoo, because it's really gonna make a huge impact on the pain of the tattoo itself. Anyways, I'm very excited with this tattoo because I always felt like very naked at the top of my body. So I'm happy that I have something going on there now. So yeah, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Kisses, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kisses, bye bye, ciao ciao.